Tifalloy Cap Screws are Tifco's very own private branded line of fasteners and are easily recognized by the bold Tifco head marking. Now this is one of the highest quality fasteners on the market, with 100% traceable materials and quality that can only be created here in the USA. This is a Tifalloy fastener. It is tougher, stronger, and easier to install than even grade 8 cap screws. You can see that it actually has a taller head. Now this increases the contact area of the wrench or socket when tightening or loosening, reducing the chance of rounding the corners. In addition to this, it has a Rockwell hardness of 38 to 42 on the C scale and an average tensile strength of 190,000 psi, which is harder and stronger than grade 8 cap screws. Now to show this, I have a square cage. Now it's got a USA made 1/4-20 bolt on here, and as a Tifalloy fastener, also 1/4-28. I'm going to put it in the vise and tighten it down with this impact wrench. Now when I tighten them together, the weaker of the two will crack. Well, let's see what happens. Step over here, put it in the vise. And there you have it. The Tifalloy fastener is still together, and that grade 8 fastener, well, I don't know where that went. And still, the Tifalloy fastener's threads are completely still intact, and they're not even deformed. And there you have it. Even a grade 8 cap screw couldn't stand up to the tension. This is a great demonstration that shows how Tifalloy cap screws are sure to surpass the requirements in any grade 8 installation.